Hi friends, welcome back to another video. And your girl, I'm just saying, because this stuff might fade quick. I just want to show y'all my tan. Well, of course y'all already know I already do a lot of filming in my PJs because that's what I do. And that's one of my favorite things to do when I'm at home is wear my PJs. So anyway, let's get right into the video. This is pre-vacation vibes. Y'all see my boxes here? Oh, say hi to my little friend back there. Hey, cute, 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 cute. That's gonna be my outfit. So I'm just, getting myself together. That's actually my dad's Ralph Lauren jacket, and it is fabulous. And my dad died a couple years ago, and if he knew I was wearing his Ralph Lauren jacket, first of all, he'd be like, stay out my clothes, and then second of all, he'd be like, you fly. That's cute, girl. But anyway. Okay, first of all, us girls usually start out wearing our dad's clothes. The new trend is calling it our boyfriend's clothes. Of course, we wear those too, but usually we start out wearing our dad's clothes. So just a little intermission, and here I got my Dooney Bourke. I'm going to leave the link to that. So back to the video. Now, let's get into the video. I'm excited. Now, this is a shout out to my Just Rico TV. Now, let me just show you how you're supposed to open your Coach envelopes, because the last video, that cracked me up. That was funny. But look, it's got a little tab here. Now, if you watch Miss Percival's, you know that she be always, boom, and get right into the item. Let's see. Now, I got a lot of duplicates here because, I be doing the most. I just do the most. I mean, I can't explain in any other way. Oh, this is the denim butterfly. Here, look at this. So all of this stuff I ordered pre-vacation, but I gotta go down to Coach to get a credit because a lot of this stuff is on sale. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. I'm sure you guys seen this. So, oh, the butterflies. Oh, look at this, you guys. Oh, it's just too cute. Cute, 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 cute. Should I open this? Because I'm sure you guys already seen this. I'm sure y'all done seen this. Oh, look at this. How adorable. I know my friend, Shosho, she opened this. Oh, my goodness. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. Oh, look at this. Fine craftsmanship. I mean, geez, this is just too adorable. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. Look at these butterflies. Oh my goodness. Cute, 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 cute. Oh my goodness. Yes, cute. Okay, keep it moving, because I'm not sure how much room I got for this, because I got vacation videos coming up soon. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at this. What's this? What? Oh, I ordered this. Oh, of course you guys know I ordered this. Oh, okay. Let me just open up some of this stuff. See what's in here, because I think I got. Oh yeah, so look, this is the duffel bag. I'm sure you guys already seen this, but I haven't seen it in person. I've seen videos, but yes. Oh my goodness. Is this cuteness or what? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. I love this denim. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys a peek of this. Oh my goodness, is this cute or what? Yes, cute, cute, cute. And then, of course, you guys already know I have the Kisslock purse. If not, I'll put a link to that video. Yes. Now, this is the Kisslock wallet. Now, I don't think I've seen any videos on this yet. Oh, look at this. Oh, my goodness. Is this cute or what? Oh, look how nice and packed it is. This is called Light Teal Midnight Multi. I think the description on this, was there something in the bag? Nope, there was nothing in there. Here, let me show you guys again, just in case you're interested. And I'll insert a picture of it with my, oh, look at this. This is nice suede. I think they call this a card wallet. Leather NRACC, original price $198. Look at this, you guys. Is this a beauty or what? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at the inside. Oh wow, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes. Oh, the goods look so good. Well, kind of with this. Oh my goodness. Your girl already got plans. Is there, oh, it's a tag in here. Let's see what it's called. Oh, this was for the denim. I gotta call them because this denim, this is on sale right now. Cheaper, so I need to call them. Okay, where's my, your girl got a mess over here. Your girl got a mess, but let's get into this box. Oh my goodness. Cute, cute, cute. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I'll be going crazy. I'll be getting, oh, it's bigger than I anticipated. Ooh, that's kind of nice, huh? Get your mind out the gutter. I heard you. Oh my word. Look at this. Cutie pie. Oh my goodness. I've been, you know, trying to decide if I want to get the backpack to match this, but I don't know. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this cuteness we have here? You know, this is cute, 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 cute. Oh my goodness. Look how nice and wrapped. Oh, I'm so cute. It's got numbers on the inside. Does it say Coach on the tag? But look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at this detail. Oh my word. Oh, look at this little pocket. Oh my goodness. Is this cute or what? Oh my goodness. This is adorable. Just, oh, look at this, you guys. Look at the little Coach tag here. Oh my word. And both of these tags have Coach on it. Oh my goodness. What a cutie. This is awesome. What is this called again? Did it have a tag? Oh, it has this little video tag on here for these young guys. Oh, it says made in Vietnam. Original price $126. Made in Vietnam, $126. Look at this. Look at this fine craftsmanship here. And look at this. The leather straps. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Is this cute or what? Oh, the backpack that looks just like this is so cute. Oh my goodness. I didn't want the backpack. I mean, I don't think I want the backpack. I just wanted this because this is awesomeness. I mean, look, I could put my keys in here. I can like do the most. So this is adorable. So it was $43.70. Oh my goodness. Now this is I think it's totally worth it. So if you guys, I don't know if it's still on the website, but if so, I'll leave a link below. But this is adorableness. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to put this on one of my bags. Okay, and then I got one more box. Girl, I went ham with this last order. I mean, because I ordered this butterfly twice, because after I ordered it, they had a special to get a free gift if you buy $200, and I had spent $200. So this is what I'm going to return, because, well, I'm going to give one of these away, and I already decided who I'm going to give it away to. So I'm going to be packing up a couple items, and I'm going to be sending it to a couple of my YouTube friends, and they don't even know about it yet. But I'm going to give away one of these to one of my YouTube friends. So stay tuned. Hopefully you guys will see it in one of their videos, because they make videos. And when you give away something, I think it's awesome that you give it away to a fellow YouTuber who you haven't seen with this yet, and I think they would like it. So this is what I'm going to give away. And then I have some that I'm going to return. But yes, what a deal that the girl got. I'm just so excited about all of my new little finds. Oh my goodness. This, and my keyring. Oh my goodness, my charms. Yay! So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you. God bless you all. Be well. Little piece of hair grease, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I be wanting to scream loud, but you know, I don't know if I can get it out, so I'm gonna practice it, and then one video I'm okay, so I took this Coach key ring off of here so that I could wear this on my Portland leather tote. It's a red, and this thing is fabulous. And look how fabulous this looks with it. Cute, cute, cute. Yes, that's one way of wearing this book bag. Here's another way of wearing my new Coach backpack. Oh, it looks so good with my Portland leather goods. Yes. And I just take these off of the Coach, because I don't wear any keys on it, and I put it on my Portland, and I can hook on anything I desire. In the next video! Peace out.